Hi, creative friends. Thanks so much for joining me today. Today, I have a really fun makeover. This $80 Restore Entry Hall table gets a brand new look using some Would You Bend and a gorgeous spring color. I can't wait to share this makeover with you, so just let me get set up and I'll be right back. Let's start. Here's the fun part. I found this hallway table in my local Restore last year. It had such beautiful curves, I thought adding a bright, nice spring color onto it, along with a little added extra detail, would make it look fabulous. I started prepping the piece by cleaning it with White Lightning, which is a TSP substitute. You could also use vinegar and water or a little bit of Dawn in a bucket of water. Then I gave it an overall scuff sanding with a 120 grit sandpaper. This table had a gorgeous sunburst inlaid top, which I was originally going to stain, but unfortunately, while I was trying to get out some dings and scratches, I sanded through the veneer in a few places. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't disappointed, but I'll show you what I did instead later on in the video. Before priming or painting, I added these Would You Bend designs to the front and sides of the table to add some extra detail. These wood moldings are so fun to work with and are so easy to customize. I used number 2157, which I will list in the description below. It was too large for the table, so I warmed it up with my heat gun and I cut it down to size with a utility knife. This gave me a perfectly sized wood molding to use for this table. Plus, I have additional designs that I can use on another project down the road. And here's a little quick tip when you're applying these appliques. If you have a little glue that squeezes out of the sides, wait until the glue is semi-dry and then use a toothpick to clean it up. If the glue is semi-dry, it comes off super easy. I have a full YouTube video on how to apply Would You Bend, and I will include that in the card above and also in the description below. Once the Would You Bend was all dry, I went on to priming, and I used an adhesion primer called Slick Stick. And this is recommended when painting silk, the brand name paint I was using, onto a slick factory finish. I only applied it to the body of the table because the top was stripped down to raw wood or veneer, and I didn't need an adhesion primer there. Once my adhesion primer or slick stick was all dry, I sprayed 2 coats of this silk all-in-one mineral paint, and the color is called Harbor. It is gorgeous. It was the first time I actually used it, and it's just beautiful. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this color down in the comments below. I ended up spraying 2 coats of Harbor for full coverage, and then it was on to the top. Because I had sanded through the veneer, I had to come up with another plan for the top. So instead of staining, which was my original plan, I decided to paint it a really crisp white, which I ended up rolling on with a roller. Silk all-in-one mineral paint doesn't require a top coat, but to blend the crisp white top into the bottom, I ended up dry brushing all the details and white wax the body. The white wax really softened up this entire piece and gave it a really dreamy look. So once again, here's what the $80 Restore hallway table looked like before, and here's what it looks like now. $80 is a little more than I like to pay for these pieces. However, I am really glad that I picked it up. This hall table turned out just beautiful, and I can't wait to hear what you think. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I cannot wait to hear what you think. So please leave a comment down below. If you've gotten any value out of it, please give it a thumbs up and a like. And also be sure to subscribe before you leave. and hit that notification bell so you get notification every time I upload a new video. You can also find me over at salvagedinspirations.com, which is my home away from home, where I have over 500 furniture painting tutorials teaching you how to make your furniture beautiful. I also have easy DIY projects, and this is to help you stage and style your painted furniture, and of course also decorate your home. So until the next time I see you, I hope you have a fabulous day. Take care, and I will see you again soon. Bye guys.